I wrote down some thoughts after being here for this great day. And the quote that came to mind is my favorite Steve Jobs quote. And it's that if you really look closely, most overnight successes take a long time. And it's so true. When you're at the end of the journey, it feels like it was quick. But when you're in the middle of it, it doesn't feel that way. Before we conclude, I want to thank iXCells for this extraordinary day and my heartfelt gratitude to everyone for attending. Today has been a celebration of collaboration, urgency, and a lot of unwavering passion to make a large difference in the lives of those facing rare disease. And I think that everyone here today has really woven a tapestry of shared values with a commitment to treating every patient with the dignity they deserve, while harnessing cutting-edge treatment for the betterment of all. And we're all united by this common purpose that transcends patient populations to really, or excuse me, I lost my place, that transcends patient populations and embraces the diversity of all of these challenges to witness a collective drive that no one is left behind, no matter if they're an N of 3, an N of 300, or an N of 3 million. And I think that this spirit of collaboration, urgency, and passion is what is going to guide our efforts going forward and how we're going to make progress. It's meetings like this of putting people in the same room with like minds that drive things forward. Thank you so much for contributing to this meaningful day. And I really look forward to seeing how much impact we can have together as we move these rare diseases forward. I can't wait for happy hour and just to give out hugs by how inspired I am for everybody today. And I'm leaving this workshop feeling more invigoration and hope for my little Maxwell. I can go give him a hug tomorrow and say so many people are working to help you. Thank you all.